What up, Homeslice? Man, it's been raining forever. I feel like I'm in Seattle, where that small town Twilight was based in. Not that I saw the movie or read all the books or anything like that. Something needs to change. Wait a minute. The answer will come to me. Did you do this? Did you spawn a beer? Are you like a magical cat? Say something. I get it. Your silence says it all. I'm gonna take it. What the f was that pop anyway? The beer bottle doesn't pop. I understand. F yeah! I'm so sorry! Let me love you! Get away. Have a beer. Or 7. Because this guy approves.